Hello everyone, this is day 92 of my growth journal. Today is 9th of May 2026 and I'm done with my reading part and my listening part. I didn't write today, but soon I will write my diary. And from past few days, I was able to write my whole day, entire generalizing my day, as you can see right now here. So this is what I was doing from past few days. I was writing on my diary regularly. So apart from it, I do listen. I watched a video. The title of the video was How to Manipulate Emotions. And I'm not going to recommend it to you because it was not that much good video. And what I read was 48 Laws of Power. And as I said to you in the previous video, that I'm not getting that the next few pages were not valuable or the content may be not good to get. So, but I read that content and it was honestly that not that much good. So I skipped it and moved to the seventh law of power. That's what I read, and I've done with the reading comprehension of today with Claude. So let me share it with you what I did with Claude. So this was the 13th passage to solve. You can pause and read this 13th passage of mine with Claude. Now here is the first question from the passage. You can pause and solve the question number 1. This was the second question of the passage. The third one. This was fourth and the last one. This was my timeline and answers. Actually, for question number 4, it was also incorrect. I will share you why. This was the timeline. Oh, we reached here at question number 1. I made a mistake here. I go with question number 4th, option number T, which was incorrect. I forget that satellite technology was not discussed in the passage. This was the question number 2nd. The correct answer is option number B. What's your score? Just do let me know in the comment section. I will check it out. For question number 3rd, again option B is the correct answer, and I also made it correct. This is the reason why. How to eliminate these options. Now this one is the question number 4th and I made this incorrect. It states that it was correct, but it is not. Correct answer is option number C. Here are the reasons why option B is incorrect. So I made two correct and two incorrect. I scored 4 marks overall. So we were going to solve question number passage 14th tomorrow, inshallah. So you have seen what I solved today, what I have done with the reading comprehension, and what Claude made a mistake on calculation. This is what I have done today. I'm the best, and I'm the best. If I'm not, I will be the best, inshallah. This is what I've done today. Just if you want to be in the journey, just subscribe my channel and start doing what I was doing. Just copy it. If you have issue with reading comprehension, finding the right reading comprehension, just solve what I shared with you. So this is what I have done today. See you in the later on videos. Take care. Bye bye.